In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a student planner with Notion. We're going to keep this really simple and beginner friendly, so even if you're new to Notion, you'll be able to follow along. By the end, you'll have a planner you can use to track classes, assignments, and important dates all in one place. First, open Notion on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Notion dashboard, look for the option that takes you to the Notion Marketplace. This is where you can browse ready-made templates created by Notion and the community. Using templates is a great way to save time because you don't have to build everything from scratch. When you're in the marketplace, go to the search bar at the top and type in student calendar. This will filter the available templates to show ones designed for students, schedules, and academic planning. Take a moment to scroll through the results so you can see what kinds of layouts are available. Even though we're focusing on a specific template in this walkthrough, it's helpful to know that you can always come back later and try other options if your needs change. From the search results, choose a template that looks like it will work as a student planner. You're looking for something that includes a calendar, or at least some way to organize tasks and dates. Once you've found the one you want, click on it to select it. This opens the template's detail page in the marketplace. On this page, you'll usually see a description of what the template is for, along with screenshots showing how it looks. Before you add it to your workspace, click on the preview option. Previewing lets you see the full template in action, so you can scroll around, check the different views, and make sure it matches how you like to organize your school life. For example, you might look for a calendar view for due dates, a list of tasks or sections where you can store notes for each subject. If you're happy with what you see, go ahead and click on Add. This will add the template directly into your Notion workspace. After a moment, you'll see it appear as a new page in your sidebar. From here, you can start personalizing it. Rename it to something like My Student Planner, adjust properties such as due dates or subjects, and delete any sample items you don't need. And that's all you need to create a student planner with Notion using a template from the marketplace.